Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today morning, when we started, the entire global markets were in euphoric stage. As I mentioned in my pre-market report, today was the first time I have seen all Asian markets in green. Yesterday night, you know the story of Nvidia, the highest in the history of stock market, 400 billion added into the market cap. And even after the market, it went up even further. Right now, it is trading around $800. Just before the result, it was $674. From $674 to $800. You can imagine. But despite all these things, as usual, we did not perform well. And today, once again, the GIFT Nifty did not indicate correct position. All those people who have taken position based on the GIFT Nifty indication, they would have lost today also. And surprisingly, the volatility still continues. We still have only 4 more trading sessions in February. Just look at today, the Bank Nifty. It went up 400 points, then it fell 600 points from there. And that is again, 1000 point plus. Every trading session, Bank Nifty has been making more than 1000 point move. And that is continuing even now also. Even this is a normal market. And look at another way. Day before yesterday, Bank Nifty high was 47,400. Yesterday, the Bank Nifty low was 46,500. And then today again, the high was 47,400. And 900 point down, again 900 point up, and then 600 point down. So that is the Bank Nifty future story for the last 2 trading sessions, making a huge move. So as I've been telling you, as long as this HDFC Bank is still there, so this is going to be like this only. Today, surprisingly, mostly when the banks are down, IT will do well. But today, along with the banks, IT stocks also came down. So the only stock that saved the market is Reliance Industries. So Reliance Industries hit a fresh all-time high today. And looking at the open interest, people don't seems to be interested in taking any aggressive position. No much activity in the options, and maybe Monday people may be taking more positions. In the morning, I said it's going to be consolidation with a positive bias. Yes, consolidation with a positive bias only for the broader market, mid cap, small cap, next 50 like that. But when it comes to Nifty and Bank Nifty, it's a consolidation with negative bias. And especially today, a few interesting things. Number 1, the volatility index is down. Once again, it fell below 15. So after many days of elevated India VIX, and today the volatility index closed below 15. That's one thing. Second thing, Nifty and Bank Nifty future premium is completely wiped out. You may remember this month I started with 400 to 500 point premium in Bank Nifty. So everything is wiped out. And Nifty usually about 150 point premium. So that's also completely wiped out. So therefore, markets consolidation is likely to continue. As I told you, 22,000 to 22,500. In this range, markets may consolidate for a few more days. So this is the time, option sellers who sold both the sides will be making profit. So after a long time, and the option writers are happy, though Nifty moved very violently, but it was moving within 100 points. Right? So some stock specific things are there, like today Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv did better after underperforming for a long time. But the most disappointing stock is the HDFC Bank, and that is going to continue for next few trading sessions also. So that's what I guess. And now US markets at euphoric stage, and we are totally disappointing stage. So we will see next week. So what is going to happen? So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.